Hello, right now we will quickly go through the first setup of our Xiaomi Poco X7. So, right after you turn on your phone, the Xiaomi Hyper OS screen will appear, so let's just begin. Right here you have to choose your language you want to use on your phone, and next right here you have to choose your region. Next right here we have the terms and conditions, you simply have to agree them and press next. If you want to move data from your old phone, you can either choose the Android device or iPhone or iPad and simply go through the instructions of setting up using the old device, but we will skip this one. Obviously you have to insert your SIM card to your phone, but we will not go through this right now. We can also connect to the network. Alright, the next step is you have to sign in to your Google account. You can also skip this one. We will actually skip that, and we can log in into the Google account later. Here are some Google services to allow. I recommend to turn off all of them. Actually, we do not. I personally turn off all of these services. So simply turn off or turn on. It's up to you, and go press accept. Here you can choose your browser and search engine. Let's see. We will choose the Google Chrome. Alright, the search engine Google. And here you select your screen lock. It's either the fingerprint face unlock or so. We will skip this one right now. Review additional apps. Let's skip that. Alright, here are some basic settings to set up. Location to allow apps and websites, send diagnostic data. In this case, I will personally turn off all of them. Stability, alright, the system daemon permissions we will leave on, since the system daemon is used to improve system stability. Alright, nice. Here are also automatic system updates. Never mind though, let's go next. Parental controls. In case you are buying your phone for your children, you can allow the parental controls and set up them. We will not do it, just go next. Here we can select the phone settings. Let's just leave the default one and go next. Here we can select the default launcher, and right here you can choose between app drawer or the classic launcher. We will select the app drawer. Alright, as you can see, the setup is all complete. So let's press this arrow, and as you can see, the screen is loading, and just like this we've set up our Xiaomi Poco X7. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.